This is Kevin Parry from, it covers the Greater Manchester area for Tile Doctor. How long are you with us now, Kevin?
Just over a year, about 15, 16 months.
All right, okay. And what courses have you done with Tile Doctor?
I've done the first course and then the advanced course later, last year, end of last year.
All right. And have you got your own area now?
Yeah, I've been doing Greater Manchester, Tile Doctor for Greater Manchester, surrounding areas.
And what do you think of it so far? What's the highs and lows? Give us the highs first.
Well, the highs are it's the support, really.
Yeah.
The excellent support, which is not always the case with these things, but it is with Tile Doctor. You get excellent support from both us, yourself at Tile Doctor and ID, but also beyond that, the Tile Doctors themselves. They're always happy to share their experience, share their knowledge.
Is that on the Facebook page?
That's on the Facebook, the Tile Doctor group for all the Tile Doctors. But I mean, very, very open, very honest, very helpful. You never come across anything you won't find an answer to, because there's always somebody done it.
That's what you want, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So you've done your advanced course, you've got your area. What else can I think of asking you? So you're building experience.
Yeah.
Are you making money?
Making money, making good money. The money. I mean, I'm not the youngest.
Yeah.
Lad, not quite anyway, but
that doesn't matter, does it? So
yeah,
you're fit and healthy,
I'm getting plenty of work, plenty of leads, converting them. Excellent feedback from the customers. Partly because again, you get so much support, you can't really go wrong. What else? Next, really, I guess I've had
any lows?
There aren't any really, other than obviously I'm a little bit older, so remembering everything. But again, the support sorts out with that.
You had any bad jobs? Bad customers?
In fairness, I haven't. No, I've been a bit fortunate. Yeah. I mean, what I would say, I've had a wide range of jobs, so you tend to. Quite often it's the first time you've done a job of a certain kind, and that's great now, because now I've got that year under my belt. I can start to, not pick and choose, but I can start to focus the marketing towards the type of work I enjoy doing the most.
Yeah.
But it's nice to have a variety, but I love meeting the customers, I always have them. In everything I've ever done, it's the variety. I'd recommend it to anybody who's looking for this type of working environment. The main thing I will always say is you get the support you need.
Yeah, that's the main thing, isn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah, it takes the stress out of it.
It's good to see you got your Tile Doctor jacket on.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good man.
Yeah, it's quite warm.
I'm glad you're liking what we do, Kevin. I'm glad you have you on board. You've been a big asset to us, especially in a gap we had in Manchester. We have other areas, so anybody who's watching this video, give us a shout. I'm Russell at Tile Doctor. Our email is info@tiledoctor.co.uk, and telephone number is 0345 512 0122. So give us a call if you're interested in the area and we'll have a chat. Take care. Thanks, Kevin.